ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent developed by OpenAI that uses advanced natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning (ML) techniques to understand and respond to human language input. In this detailed explanation, we will explore how ChatGPT works, its underlying technologies, and how it is able to respond to questions based on the nature of the question. How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is built on top of a powerful deep learning architecture called the Transformer model. The Transformer model is designed to process and generate sequences of text, and it has been shown to be highly effective in a variety of NLP tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text generation. At the heart of the Transformer model is a series of layers of artificial neural networks that are trained on vast amounts of textual data. During the training process, the neural networks learn to identify patterns and relationships in the data, allowing the model to recognize and generate complex language structures. When a user enters a text input into ChatGPT, the system first processes the input text by breaking it down into its constituent parts such as words, phrases, and sentences. The system then uses the Transformer model to analyze the input text and generate a response. ChatGPT's response. The response generated by ChatGPT is based on a statistical model that takes into account the context and meaning of the input text. The system generates multiple potential responses and ranks them based on their likelihood of being the correct response. ChatGPT's response to a question is determined by several factors, including the nature of the question, the context of the conversation, and the information available to the system. ChatGPT uses a combination of machine learning techniques such as pattern recognition, statistical modeling, and neural networks to generate the most accurate and relevant response possible. According to the nature of the question, ChatGPT's ability to respond to questions is based on its ability to understand the nature of the question being asked. Some common types of questions that ChatGPT can respond to include factual questions. Factual questions are questions that require a straightforward, factual answer. For example, what is the capital of France? Or who was the first president of the United States? ChatGPT can provide a concise and accurate response to these types of questions based on its knowledge of the subject matter. Opinion questions. Opinion questions are questions that require a subjective response. For example, what is your favorite movie? Or what is your opinion on climate change? ChatGPT can provide a response based on its understanding of the topic and its ability to generate a plausible opinion. Procedural questions. Procedural questions are questions that require a step-by-step response. For example, how do I set up a wireless network? Or what are the steps to bake a cake? ChatGPT can provide a detailed response to these types of questions based on its understanding of the task and its ability to generate a logical set of instructions. Complex questions. Complex questions are questions that require a multifaceted response. For example, what are the causes of climate change, and what can be done to mitigate its effects? ChatGPT can provide a response based on its ability to understand the various aspects of the question and generate a comprehensive answer that takes into account multiple factors. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational agent that uses advanced NLP and ML techniques to understand and respond to human language input. Its ability to respond to questions is based on its ability to analyze the input text and generate a relevant and accurate response based on the context and nature of the question. As ChatGPT continues to evolve and improve, it has the potential to revolutionize the